everyone is, struggling through this moment and just figuring out what steps to take. What were those conversations like with Cory, who's about to go on a big tour, arena tour with Lenny Kravitz, and he's such a live artist. Like, how is it with him not being able to perform? I mean, what's an average year that Cory does in terms of number of dates? Like 150?
No, it's 150, but it's a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
It's global. I mean, this year alone,
yeah.
Cory, in 2020, we would have, I can't remember how many countries, but it was, Korea, Japan, Israel, all over Europe.
Yeah.
South America.
And that's his largest revenue generator, I would imagine.
It's outside the U.S. And we do a lot of work in the U.S., but outside the U.S. So if I was to look at this, I think the international artists that have international presence and do international business will have an opportunity to get things back on from a touring perspective before U.S. artists.
Right.
The U.S. is not. I mean, let's just all be honest with each other.
Right.
We're not handling this.
We're not doing a good job right now. No, we're the number one.
Well,
no.
At all. No indications.
No.
In the last 2 weeks, my mindset has shifted to, honestly, I think it's June next year before
U.S. will start to open back up for shows
in any sort of way.
Yeah.
You know, I just don't know how it happens before then. Just knowing all the things that have to take place from a public health standpoint.
Right.
For venue owners, I think I'm not a venue owner, but to feel comfortable doing it. So we'll see what plays out, right? Because even when a vaccine's found and therapeutics are found, there's a whole additional runway to getting those to marketplace.
Right.
And then reality of it is that there will be a lot of people that you pulled in with the Tesla today,
right?
Which I love, right? But there's a lot of people who are like, I'm not getting the version 1 of the Tesla.
Right. Exactly.
Version 1 of the Tesla.
That is absolutely true, and I can tell firsthand experience. It is, as an early adopter of this new technology, you're feeling it out. You're not quite 100% of the time,
version 1 of the vaccine.
Yeah, version 1 of the vaccine. Who's going to line up for that?
Exactly. So who knows what's going to play out? But ultimately, I think internationally, we're seeing other countries. We should, as an industry, look outside the U.S. and learn what's happening outside the U.S. and think about how we apply that.
Yeah.
The government should be doing that from a public health standpoint,
right? And
we should be doing it as the industry. How is Japan going back up? How is Korea going back up?
Yeah.
We have in this country have a sense of a sense of global arrogance that we do things the best,
right?
The most accurate.
Yeah.
And this is going to be one of those situations where other countries are and not even is going to be, it's happening now,
right? That
are leading to recovery faster and better than we are, and we have to look to them. So I do think that possibly end of this year, the possibility of sitting over in Japan, for 14 days or 7 days quarantining and then doing a residency of shows, could be possible.
Yeah.